Well, hello YouTube. This is just a quick tip for all you people who have Hotel X-Ray 290 Vertex standard. Now, if you get them, there is a great chance that nickel cadmium original batteries, cells, or what was it, nickel mercury, I think, that they are busted. So the smartest idea and cheapest idea is to change cells with cells of UV82 Baofeng, and they fit perfectly here. On my channel I have dedicated a video about that. So what about charging? Because this is charger for nickel cadmium cells. As I understood, you cannot charge lithium ion with something that is intended for charging nickel cadmium cells because of heating, and they are just, if I understand correctly, they're not compatible. So monkey business when we talk about that. This is how I'm solving the situation. So behind we have simplified situation, just plus and a minus. This is absolutely great because many Motorola radios, for example, and other radios, and even Baofengs, they do have 3 or sometimes 4 contacts, and this is simplified situation, and that is extremely cool because you have just 2 poles. So how I'm solving this at the moment, like temporarily, I'm using this generic variable voltage AC-DC converter, and you have option to switch between 1.5 and 12 volts and 500 milliamps. So I'm using this, and because I don't wanna damage the electronics in here, I can do that, but I don't wanna pull electronics from original charger to use this cradle, to use these mechanical parts. This is how I'm solving that issue. See this is just RCI type of connection, nothing special. Sorry about middle finger, but this is what I can do at the moment. And this is very cool if you are charging multiple of these, or if you're reusing your charger for something else. So this is just my way of how to quickly solve the problem. So what I do, because there is a LED on this charger, and that is good for checking the contacts. What I do, I just plug, these thingies, this is plus and this is minus, into corresponding, thingies on the radio. So let me, I'm gonna pull mobile phone down there to show you that, just a second, because it's a little bit difficult to put these steel wires, tiny wires, into here. Sometimes you need to apply a little bit of pressure with something else to these wires to stick. And of course, pay attention about polarity. So see you in a split of a second, guys. Right, so the wires, steel wires from COVID masks, basically, they are actually very cool, are hooked to the radio. And now this is not connected to power yet, so diode is just telling you that you have cool contacts. Okay, so this is just like indication. And I can't remember, I think that I have set this thing to like 12 volts or 10 volts, something like that. You can have a little bit less voltage, because this thing will work of course on 7.4, but 9, 10, 11, I think that will get the job done, because UV82 cells, they do have controllers, so they will not overcharge. So maybe this is not proper way of solving things, but once when I plug this into outlet, let me just do that. Now this thing will start charging this radio. And of course, don't turn on radio while you are charging, because maybe you will burn it. So make a note about that. If you have some idea how to solve this, if you have some smarter approach, then write it down in the comment section below. But this is what I'm doing at the moment to charge these UV82 cells in Vertex standard Hotel X-Ray 290. So this was just a quick note, guys. Maybe it will solve you the problem if you have these radios but you don't have original batteries. Yeah, there is really not much to add to this video. Just have your radio turned off, guys, okay? And also, when you have original cells in here and you plug your voltmeter, okay, to plus and minus, you will not get a reading for some reason, for electronical some protection, I don't know. But when you put, you know, UV82 cells, then you can charge. Let me actually show that when I'm here. Probably I'm going to manage to do that with one hand. So let me start this thingy. What was it? 20 volts. And I'm going to try to, what was this? This is plus, this is minus. Okay, so one hand skills. There you go, 8.15. So when you have UV82 cells, they do have protection for overcharging, but also you can detect occasionally if your cells reach specific desired voltage, and that is absolutely great for ad hoc solution. And if you care about this thing, this is bought for like 10 euros in a China store. VC9205N, 10 euros. It gets the job done, you know, it's not Flux or something like that. Whatever the name for Flux, is that Flux? I don't know. That high quality measuring equipment, but it will get the job done. So yeah, the thing is, when you're charging these, you need definitely occasionally check the voltage, okay? So you can do that while charger is charging, or you can just pull charger out, pull wires out, and then you can be totally sure that the voltage is that you need it. So yeah, that was just pretty much how I'm solving the situation at the moment. Okay, because honestly I don't wanna damage these. I can, but then I will pretty much destroy piece of equipment and piece of history, because these radios are extremely rare. And for one of these you can probably buy, you know, brand new Hytera DMR. So I don't want to even, you know, consider destroying a charger. Well, maybe one day if I went insane or something like that. We will see, you know, everything is possible. So guys, thank you for watching. Write it down in the comment section below what you think. Is this safe? Is there a better approach? So yeah, see you on YouTube in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscription. Subscribe if you didn't. And see you next one. Ciao, ciao.